Good morning and Assalamualaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Students, today is Wednesday 16th December 2020. Subject is maths, topic is time, and book is Countdown Book 3, exercise 6A, question number 4. Let's start. Okay students, open your book page number 171 and to question number 4, use AM or PM to write the times given below. Students, here you can see I underline morning, afternoon, noon, midnight, morning, night, noon and evening. Why I underline these words? Students, let me explain you something. Okay students, you can see here in this picture that one day is equals 24 hours. So 12 hours in the daytime and 12 hours. So students, as you can see that the day started from 12 midnight, so from 12 midnight to 12 noon there are 24 hours, and between these hours we will write AM. Okay, the time that will be started from 12 midnight till 12 noon, that time will be we will write AM with that time, and the time that will be after 12 noon. After 12 noon, you know that there is afternoon, then evening, then night, and then midnight. So after 12 noon to midnight, to 12 midnight, with the time we will write PM. For example, after 12 PM, there is 1 PM, 2 PM, 3 PM, 4 PM. Okay, students, look this clock carefully. For example, when the time is 12 midnight, the new day started, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 AM, 7 AM, 8 AM, 9 AM, we will write AM with this time till 12 noon, but with 12 we will write 12 noon. Okay, so after 12 noon, their time will be afternoon, and then evening, and then night time, and then again 12 midnight. Okay students, so student, what we will write? After 12 noon we will write PM. Okay, till 12 midnight. As you know that clock take 2 rounds, okay, to complete 24 hours. Okay, now students, open your book page number 171 and question number 4. 8 o'clock in the morning. As I told you that the morning time, with the morning time we will write AM. So how we will write it? We will write it 8 o'clock, 8 AM. Okay, and 3 o'clock in the afternoon. 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Noon, afternoon comes after noon. So after 12 noon. Okay students, as I told you that when the time is 12 midnight, so then it starts moving from 1 to 1 AM, 2 AM. The time is started in AM. 1 AM, 2 AM, 3 AM, 4 AM, 5 AM, 6 AM, 7 AM, 8 AM. So we will write 8 AM because when it takes first round, we will write AM with the time 9 AM, 10 AM, 11 AM, and then 12 AM. And after 12 noon, okay, we will write it 12 noon. After 12 noon, the time will be, we will write the time in PM. So, in the whole, when it takes a full round, we will write with all these 1 PM, 2 PM, 3 PM, 4 PM. In this way, we will write PM till 12 midnight. Okay. But with the number of 12, we will not write 12 AM. We will write 12 noon, and then we will write 12 midnight. We will not write 12 PM. Okay. So these were the important points. Okay students, so as you know that when the time was 8 AM, as I told you in the B part, in A part. Okay. Okay, then the second part was 3 o'clock in the afternoon. 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay students, as you know that after 12 noon, you know that the time is afternoon. So after 12 noon, the time will be 1 PM, 2 p.m., 3 p.m. Okay, so the time will be 3 p.m. So students, we will write here 3 o'clock in the afternoon, 3 and 3 p.m. And the next one is 5 hours before noon. So we set the clock 5 hours before noon. As you know that noon started at 12. So we will, okay, students, as they tell us that noon, that 5 hours before noon. As you know that noon started from 12. Okay, 12 o'clock. So before 5 hours before, what will be the time? 5 hours before 12 noon. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what will be the time? 7. Okay, बेटा जैसे कि आपको पता है कि जैसे 12 मिडनाइट से जब क्लॉक फुल राउंड लेता है और ये 12 तक दोबारा आ जाता है, तो दैट वाज द टाइम ऑफ 12 नून. सो बेटा इसके बाद जब इसको हम 5 आवर्स पीछे करेंगे तो टाइम क्या होगा? ओके, सो 1, 2, 3, 4 एंड 5. सो आपको जैसे कि बेटा आपको पता है कि नून से पहले जो टाइम था वो AM में जा रहा था ना, ठीक है. मिडनाइट से लेकर जब 12 o'clock तक, 12 नून तक टाइम जो होता है 12 नून होता है, ठीक है. जब एक राउंड लेती है वॉच, जब एक दफ़ा पूरा राउंड लेती है, तो उससे अगर हम पहले पीछे उससे अगर हम कर लें 5 आवर्स बैक कर लें तो हमारा टाइम क्या होगा? तो 7 AM होगा, PM नहीं होगा, क्योंकि हमने नून से पहले वाला टाइम मालूम करना है. सो वी विल काउंट इट बैक. सो दैट विल बी 7 AM. So students, our answer is 7 AM. 2 hours before midnight. Students, as you know that we write the time before midnight, the time is PM. Okay, so before 2 hours the time will be 10 PM. Okay beta, so the time will be 10 PM. 1 o'clock in the morning. How you will write it? 1 o'clock in the morning. As I told you that the morning time is written like 1 AM. Morning time is written in AM, and noon, afternoon, evening and night, that time is written in PM, has been written in PM. So the next one is 9 o'clock at night. The night time is written as, we will write the night time in PM as I told you. So 9 o'clock at night means PM, we will write PM. The night time will be PM. The noon time, again half an hour before noon, what will be the time? Okay, students, half an hour before noon. As you know that this is noon, 12 noon, the time is 12 noon. So half an hour means this is the half of the clock. So the time, the minute hand will be here. So what will be the time? Students, as you know that there are 30 minutes in half an hour. So you can count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. So this is the half of the clock. So this time is 11, half past 11, you can see here. 11 is also passed. So 11:30. The time is, we will write this time 11:30. Half an hour before noon. So before noon, what is the time? AM. We will write the time in AM. 11:30 AM. So the time is 11:30 AM. 7 in the evening. As you know that the evening time is written in PM. So it will be 7 PM. Okay students, I hope you understand it. Students, do practice of it by taking your watches or by taking your clocks in your hands. Okay, put your clocks in your hands and also do practice. Okay, so write it very neatly on your book also, and also do practice. Don't write that I will send you the image. Okay, don't try it from here, just do practice of it by yourself, and then check it that your answer is similar to the teacher's answer. Okay, make it your activity and do this work through this activity. Just take a model clock, or you can take any clock from your home and do this activity, and so that you can clearly understand these AM and PM. And if you feel any problem, you can tell me in the comment box. Thank you. Take care.